Hello friends. Welcome to my new data structures and algorithms in Java tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will discuss how to insert node at the beginning of a linked list in Java. Let's insert node at the beginning of a linked list shown in slide. Below is the algorithm for this. Let's see working of it through a demo. Step 1 creates a new node having data as 15, and next node points to null. Moving further. In order to insert new node at the beginning, that is just before head node. Update the next pointer of new node, to point to the head. Moving further. Final step will be to update head pointer to point to the new node. Thus, new node becomes the head of the linked list. Initially, list had 4 nodes, and after insert it has 5 nodes. Let's move to Eclipse and see it's working through code. Usually, interview question would be, given list node head, and integer data, insert data as a node at the beginning of linked list. In singly linked list class, we create a method by name, insert at beginning. This method takes in head node and integer data. This method returns back new head node, after inserting node at the beginning of linked list. Let's code in method what we demonstrated in the slide. First, let's create a new list node, with the integer data provided as argument in the method. It simply calls parameterized constructor of list node class. Thus, creating an instance of list node, with data passed to constructor, and next pointing to null. Moving further. We make a check that, if head is null, that is if list is empty, then simply return newly created node, as there are no elements in list, and new node is the head itself. Moving ahead. In order to insert new node at the beginning, that is just before head node. Update the next pointer of new node, to point to the head. Moving further. Final step will be, to update head pointer to point to the new node. Thus, new node becomes the head of the linked list. Return head node. This head node will hold linked list with inserted data at beginning. Let's test its working. In our previous tutorial, we created a linked list with 4 nodes. Let's use it. First, we create a list node reference variable, by name new head. We call insert at beginning method, by passing head node, and data as 15 to it. It will return back new head of the linked list, which will be stored in new head reference variable. Let's print newly created linked list, by calling display method, and passing new head to it. Let's run this Java program. You can see, on first line it prints, 10, 8, 1, 11 as nodes of linked list. On second line it prints, the same list having 15 inserted at beginning, that is just before 10. Thus, in this tutorial, we saw insertion of node at the beginning of linked list. So friends, go through this video 2 to 3 times so that, how to insert node at the beginning of a linked list, concept gets more clear to you. Hope you like this video. Please give 1 minute to like, share, comment or subscribe my channel, or you can visit my website at www.hubberspot.com.